everyone. So I recently did a video on cooking with flameless cookers, and it actually spawned some more questions. So I am going to try and cook some other foods with this thing. Starting with rice. All right, let's get the heat pack going first. Ouch. With the rice, I'm using 1/2 cup dry rice and 1 cup water. And we're pretending that I'm stuck in a car, so I'm not washing my rice. Forgive me, Uncle Roger. Oh, it's puffing up. All right, we're off. All right, let's try the stopwatch. All right, 10 minutes. Let's see what we got going on. Still quite a ways left to go, it looks like. Oh yes. Just a bunch of water. All right. Check back in another 10, I guess. All right, 10 minutes more, so we're at actually 21 minutes. Still very watery. I'm getting awful hungry. Check back later. 30 minutes. Getting better. I know I shouldn't keep letting the steam out, but it's still chewy. All right. 40 minutes. Oh. Well, maybe, let's see. Maybe there's still a little tough little kernel in there. But wow, 40 minutes. And I think we're starting to run out of power down here. There's still a little sizzle. It's enough to fog up my glasses though. I'm gonna give it 5 more minutes. 5 minutes. And then I gotta eat, y'all. All right, I am stopping it at 45 minutes. And actually, that's pretty good. I mean, it was a long time, don't get me wrong, but now it's done. I am going to dress it up with something really simple, and that is just some packaged, already cooked salmon. Not the most attractive thing. Okay, so can you cook rice in a flameless cooker? Short answer, yes. Do you want to? Not so sure. I did take 45 minutes to get to this state, and that was just for a 1/2 cup of dry rice. So if you're in a hurry and get hangry, probably just want to get the pre-cooked or par-cooked rice. If you're on a budget and you just want to keep dry rice, then sure. And if you've got time, yeah, why not? Oh, sriracha. Hello again, friends, and today's another flameless cooker challenge, and today's challenge is pasta. We're not going to get to boiling, but I will settle for pretty warm, which I think we're there. The box says 11 to 13 minutes, but that is at a rapid boil. Since we're kind of at a Low simmer? I'm gonna give it 15 before my first check. Okay. Oh, looks pretty good. They look like they might be done. Perfect. Al dente. Next problem. How are we going to drain these? So we're pretending we're car camping. We don't have a sink. Can I do this without scalding myself? Do you have a towel? Oh geez. Oh, see, I think I'm going to have to take it out. Can I take it out? Wah. Wah. Yes, we can. Don't go far away, we still need you. Let me grab my colander. Okay, calling that good enough. Because we still need to heat up our sauce. Nobody wants hot pasta and cold sauce. Okay, so I found this treasure at Dollar Tree. Snapped up the last package. Not going to use the whole thing because 300 calories a pouch. I think it's meant for nachos, but you know, we do what we want around here. Oh, it's hot garbage, but gosh, it smells good. I might be eating 300 calories of Velveeta. All right, gotta let our cheese heat up. Still simmering. We'll give it, I don't know, 3 minutes. Do you see my helper? All right. Ooh. Oh yeah. I can't tell you the last time I had macaroni and cheese, so this is incredibly gratifying. Oh yum. Perfect pasta. And of course you could totally just do the same thing, but with the spaghetti sauce. Pasta's a win with the flameless cooker. Total time, 20 minutes from putting the heat pack in to waiting for the water to warm up, cooking the pasta, adding the cheese, waiting for the cheese to warm up. So, not bad. Not bad at all. Hello again. You may have noticed I have shifted over a little bit. That's because we're doing some ceiling repairs overhead. And today we are flamelessly cooking ramen. Of the 3 tests, I feel like this one is going to be a total cakewalk because I kind of did it before already. The only difference now is I'm not soaking the noodles. Ramen noodles cook very quickly because they've already been cooked. The only struggle is going to be deciding which of these Dollar Tree ramens I'm going to cook. We have the wrap snacks one, which is a spicy Louisiana chicken, and this Japanese curry style one, which I find pretty interesting. I think I'm going to try the wrap snacks one. I'm going to save this. I'm going to put it in the camp kitchen for emergency noodles. Who is our icon? I don't know. I don't know who that is. And I can't. Oh, Boozy. It's right there on the top. Did he drop the lil? He's just Boozy now. He's all grown up. We're gonna try his noodles. All right, we all know the routine now. Not sure how much water to use. I'm using a cup. I am a little concerned that this noodle cake is kind of thick. I'm probably gonna have to flip it over. About 3 minutes for the water to get warm. Let's stand 3 minutes. Okay, guess we'll check in at 3 minutes. Oh, that's boiling water. All right, 3 minutes. Yeah, just as I suspected. Let's flip it over. Oh. All right, 10 minutes. Let's check out this Louisiana hot and spicy chicken. Hey, hey, hey. I think we are good. Yeah, so what was that? 3 minutes of warm-up time, 10 minutes of cooking, 13 minutes total. Still plenty hot. There we go. Flameless cooker ramen. Easy peasy.